Utie Oha Extreme Ponkno. Needs FM.
If you are letter crown with letter crown with
Sir.
or letter be invited NDC to IPAC. Last IPAC meeting, all my letter. Date was so 19th May 2010. And for the bread 19th May 2020. Almost the son of bread for the way they are quality in this state in the area. You heard check and Papa 19th May 2020 or my correction. Time of Ben was what 10 p.m. Letter crown with him.
And Nanya says, NDC secretary been at one or church, sir.
Maybe all political parties, I'll forward the letters to you. All of them.
But you just be a secretary, what is your church letters, be or NDC? And was embarrassing woman.
So it's a very serious matter, and I think that Adakabe was here, you near day. It's a churchna, you penny, Bernard Mona, or ye PNC Bano Denny, Obaga Kupium with CID Akache. Yenina, ya Timo movie Edinachi, Akobonetito, because Yan Tanaho, Emubia, Mammy Gruvna, Ubi Wagana, and can't your farm with you.
It is a moon you sue Bernard Mona as a hatchet man.
No, he's not a hatchet man, but the PNC is a political party. Together with other political parties, including NDC, they have formed coup. I have inter-party resistance against the new register, IPAN. And yes, I've put on a 4-year, some trophy share more. Bernard Mona Kokasa was here. Ama a political tool.
And the embattled general secretary of the PNC, Nasi and Coach Bernard Mona.
Ono the MT and they say suspending the minimum say or my reinstating but ono as ono ka say on question ono an chairman Bernard Mona dia then ono an asem me person meka ehudi njada ka bre
it is DBM and Atu Force and any muntaka kan.
Yes, the second one the ranking member for finance parliament Atu Force and the two guy the oka any njada ka bre enche kra coronavirus ibai ena Abain Ekomba Sebedum said, Omo ye Jimedi a friend of coronavirus alleviation program. As a train in Anese Parliament, Emma Bainisika. Now, Monfanco Terbiane, in Sue, and Eddie Kekahon. Now, Omonfamwa here for no one who wouldn't be. And can kind Omo Omo lockdown areas in Kind Kaswa Tema and then in Patemo. Siampampa, President Mahama Sikabia. Or petrol for to be a friend stabilization fund. The oil you seek ya an abreso. Now, oil you seek anyway.
Stabilization fund, no, Mama, dear.
No, Miss Fish. The car will pay good. I'm not here. Stabilization fund was established in April 2011. I'm not Professor Mills, your man, now President Mahama, a BDH. As Vice President, no, you're responsible for the petroleum and oil sector. It was under his leadership. Of course, supervised by the boss, President Mills. Yes, I'm going to say, yeah, all you see, can I use Tiana, my Nina, Nemo, you need 70%, you have 21% and go to stabilization fund. Not the Akano, you have to heritage fund and Martin Chilima. And the President Mahama be the idea 2012 to 2016. All you see, would Dimrana so pepe, one capping and realignment, the Anfeticana and Fancoye, yes, they said they are buying with common fund. Health insurance fund, or you see can buy on the control stabilization fund with the never say call with the accord. In the all corner, would ya buying way bear $200 million. You see, coronavirus by ya buying come, I say, baby, no, say, my baby, I'm going fast at $200 million. Now, my fan called boy here for in lockdown area. What's to say the background that he came one? A 1.2 billion cities. Now, Sasikano, and your mammy and said the neck. Almost a piano on one Casaban one association, your Google one, your friend of hot news. Almost say 40 million cities, and can it is 400 billion on a piano woman what it's a man here for. Now the young no yeah, and also mobile say I'm a yes, no one Casan or my dear friend of dry food. And also must spend 40 million cities on it. To cover 1 million, 800 billion. City. I feel so. What I say, you, Magana for you, now, or more, is your new fear, or more, said your money business. I buy them mobilize it, public and private tankers, they will grow in to fear near about tanker of water. Inti, Wokasa nyema me say bo mu a nsuo de no so 200 million ubenya 280 million Ghana cedis enka netiti sika no 2.8 trillion other ones keka ho but no because omunya spending wie no mugusu di ye humanity no yanka ho asem yensa we pe de ka ho asem ena de e ka le say yensa ye the hot meals 40 million cedis what you swear because lockdown no it lasted for only 3 weeks. And you lockdowns were free for more than 1 month. Dry food, 40 million. What you swear because you lockdown ahead free for more than 1 month. And I didn't know the scene. Obi anyone who became one contact action for and Ghana for. The members of parliament have filed questions on the floor of parliament. The finance minister how the money has been spent. The scene Omonfa and Hunkuntabubia Maya. Yansu Yahu Yatin Sendebri. What Kumase Tapo Pankrono. Yenya audio tape wa express. And Miami wasn't here to come for in lockdown areas in Kumaseno. Yadibia Kotafu Jomuan. MPP paying for air tone this Igamigo. And they are both at tape, they were press brief in assets. My media for nothing. We pay me for a yama. Tape, a silver FMO Kumasa for investigation on wire. John Forma Ankasa Kase. COVID-19 Kusiana, we did have a job of all tone not a central for our and the Yaka cases need this one kind. And but the airports we need Yana to mean to us as I he can be where they are with 2.8 trillion. Or maybe you can have you. That's a 1 person who are considered. And I am to be in terms of say, I feel so much auditor general in the human because of checking section 16 of the Audit Service Act, or say auditor general, apart from AFIPIA, the normal audit of public accounts are oil. Or no bit may decide say, or yes, special audit into certain expenditures. We are in the report apart from our parliament. If the AFP say, because coronavirus alleviation program way and SI expenses way, a yes special project, then can't abide no kwa home abusika when can budget no. Yagain abentin yakwa for budget. And yet, all used to section 16 of Audit Service Act. Now, Auditor General, on a special audit into the expenditure of 280 million cedis. That is 2.8 trillion cedis. Abide we say for their check, hot meals, dry food, and water in this country in the last 3 months. Uncle, you see, near what the that was the second issue.
Yeah.
And finally, Alakabre was as someone there, Asawase, Member of Parliament and Minority Chief Whip, Honorable Alaji Muntaka Mubarak for the two guys. Na enono tofa bomu nyina ne se efa omampenya kufuado ne bosha bebriba washa wabuso bosha bebriba washa ene ye hu se dodo na na ye 419 na ye frakadam ba ko ye frɛ no $1 million per constituency ene eno ho asɛm na owura Muntaka kan na okonachi ekohwe di ekofa nsɛm a omampenya kufuado ne ba womia kan 2016 during the campaign. Just said, you can't even say, the motor about my Ghana for Ghana Sikana, a na a castle and my phone. Yet, the young Yanesa. You may make sure say, I see Biara constituency Biara or Ghana. It be now $1 million. And now the Basidia, that's about 57 billion OCDs. Or maybe you should say, I see Biara will be now enfeeling. And as a responsible opposition, you must say a keeping government on these tools. Near making sure say a binary or the yo or shabwa obey so now bois or mouth for assisting or muntu. Then I never say and then you don't so far promise anymore. Near her a binary where did the bosses so and I say will boo the bosses so. If you share money in you could see in an say. 2017, I buy a better Kunya, so that I can bring $1 crown or $1 constituency be Ghana. In Tibosha, our Mampina Kufuado says, the first year, second year, third year, your fifth year will be $1 million. First year will be 2017, one year. Or no, one first year, my constituency, or no, so 1 year, maybe. And and then the one dance in buy 2018 2019 or 2020 the you won't you know they are too but 2018 2019 and then also you go through Ministry for Special Development Initiatives or one first $1 million per constituency promise or mon cartel and you will say a human my your projects and getting the borehole warehouse toilet and on my clear be in few constituencies and on one number bob once for him say yeah $1 million per constituency ya 12 ambulance into ya and you can say okay ambulance are matter warehouse are my borehole are matter yeah kasa sikadi na from 2018 to 2019 yeah when do yes say ya ye nya $81 million because we used from 2017 to 2019 3 years and you say we only say there na na mon standard here there na money Ghana for any year what that Ghana for because o kasa CBA be mo bia $1 million ni say afibia no e was think I will release $275 million so what they multiply 3 years $825 million and if out of $825 million $81 million per and a one kasa one krata say well you should dia yempuntu yuma dia eno so mpo include that one village one dam no our mo ye dag house no ni nyina ka ho
okay
then here where the Ghana for hwamo because also say $81 million out of $825 million unya 9.8%. Now like I say uko suku na 3 years or so na ye mark you over 100 na we try 9.8 10 for went to menka then you know what Philip for see you come and you see say a bind the Ghana for hwamo what's the way so like one village one dam one district one factory $1 million per constituency in the zone and they are the advance back based on ministry nankasa documents with figures it says Ghana for hwamo it was a 419 promise and ya deal with me this so and yes ya wom with the manusi na nakabre and it say tikaka krana omodi aye ye borehole bibi ato ambulance ne sa anyama no and enumpo mu yusu lu kwampa so anka enye de ya penyifo so gbanye bibi amawase a ye monokro the first sikani mpo and omode koma constituencies ne direct so mo fa nya adwuma anka anya ye ya ba we di enye sa no mampenye kufu ado ye ono atenkan na wafa minister na otimika se ye ma no 8 billion cedis no van konko ye website no enye ye kan say ba chebe jafo ni so ni mu anko ne ba
okay
na all the sense can adaka bre me ma no see
ya be don say at this stage
no me see wa ha all the sense can am omo a o ma ye ne basa I inflate projects ne bo amma sense can kwa anya den ankofo and by the way $81 million no so use no so no that what they to talk there one agency pay under President Mahama in constituency relative to yen two borehole yenye we are enu ye one agency under the Ministry of Works and Housing Water Works and Housing under President Mahama 2,000 of boreholes
okay Sammy
ya the two tani nyina no adakabre to fa bomni
ye de wase Ura Sammy Gyamfi, National Communications Officer of the National Democratic Congress.
Utie Oha Extreme Punk no Needs FM.